All right, investors, come get a slice of the action here. Here's the triplex update for your Labor Day weekend. We've got all the sewer lines repaired. I think you've probably seen that before. It's all backfilled. All of the sewer cleanouts are in. There's the backside of one of the triplexes on the property. Here's unit one. We kind of opened up the kitchen there. You can see we blasted out that wall. And then there's all of the plumbing in the kitchen, and you can see the bathroom through that. We've got all the floors cut out and plumbing's installed through there to give us the option of putting in stackable washer dryers in all these units, which is what we're going to do. This will be a quick walkthrough of unit one just to kind of catch you up here. This is when all of the rough was done, so all the electrical, plumbing, we reframed out that closet you just saw there in the last shot, and that's where the stackable washer dryer are going. It was pretty hot. It's in the summer here in Phoenix, so the electricians had to get there early, and about the time I was showing up there, they were already been gone. Here's unit two when it was getting roughed in. So everything's ripped out, everything's demoed. You can see the backside of the stackable washer dryer closet there that we had framed out. So that'll go in there. So unit one's a one bedroom, unit two is a two bedroom, and unit three was a two bedroom, and we're converting it to a three bedroom to add some more value for you guys. These are the backyards for the triplex on the west side of the property. They'll need to get partitioned off. This is still unit two, walking from the kitchen into some of the bedrooms. There's one of two bedrooms, and then you've got the bathroom. Again, all the plumbing, electrical, all that stuff had been roughed in at this point. Here you're seeing the washer dryer closet for the stackable that we're going to put in there. This is unit three, so we're converting this from a two bedroom into a three bedroom unit. As previously discussed, the living room was massive. You can see it right here, and it was big enough to add another bedroom as well as keep enough room for the living room. There's the bathroom, so you can see all the new plumbing and electric going in. And then the back bedrooms here, there's some significant wiring that had to be completed and updated. So we've got that all dolled up now, and all the other stuff is ripped out. Here's the exterior. The windows and doors are going in now, so we're throwing some significant force in that direction, and the building is just looking so fantastic. They've got unit one here has got the old kitchen. It's all in with all the appliances, and you can see there unit one, that's where the stackable washer dryer will go. There's unit one's windows, so those look great. We've got the nice wood look flooring going in with sliders to the back. And unit one's bathroom turned out great. Here's an exterior shot of the triplex. So they're prepping it for paint, scraping all that stuff off. There's the single family home that's already been completely done. It just needs exterior paint. You can see all the windows are going in fairly quickly. The doors take a little bit longer, but I anticipate they'll be done this week. We'll have a nice little seating area there with some barbecues, what you're seeing there. And then there's the other triplex with the windows going in. Here's unit one, pretty much complete. There's a couple finishing touches that need to go in, so they need to drop the countertops in. But other than that, the appliances are in. We've got the worldly gray walls interior with the pop and white trim, and the wood look tile flooring. And the windows, man, they just make the whole property look so much better. Stainless steel appliances with the undermount microwaves, as well as a dishwasher in all the units and a garbage disposal in the sink. So really nice units with over-under washer dryers and nice livable spaces here. They'll have their own little backyards as well. Here's the bathroom on unit one, just a one bedroom, one bath as previously discussed. Potential to convert that unit into maybe some furnished living for college students, and we can raise the rents or get a little bit more out of those. So here's unit two. All the interior work is being finalized here. It just needs trim. The flooring has gone in and it looks immediately better. There's one of the 2 bedrooms in Unit 2. Windows have gone in and interior doors are being finalized there. There's your over-under washer dryer closet being finalized there, and then the majority of the bathroom has been finished other than just dropping the toilet in and hanging up the mirror with a couple of fixtures there in the shower. There's your other bedroom. So both bedrooms will get carpet. And as you saw from the exterior, the windows are already installed. We're going with the brushed nickel look on all the finishes. So door handles, hinges, fans, all that good stuff. And then over here in the kitchen, you can see there on the wall, there will be on the left there'll be some cabinets that go in just because it was a little bit more of a tight squeeze here in this kitchen in Unit 2 with 2 bedrooms. But we were able to find some space there on the left wall to hang some more, to get some more cabinet space. Here's Unit 3. So we're making this a 2 to 3 bedroom unit to add some extra value. We've got the windows in, the nice slider doors to their back patio there. The cabinets are going in, the white shaker cabinets, so those are looking great. They'll be dropping appliances off here this next week, and they're still building out the washer dryer closet there, so that'll be completely enclosed with a door. There's Unit 3's kitchen, just a still shot for you. And then here's the 3rd bedroom. So that wall, behind that wall is a 3rd bedroom in Unit 3. So we've added some extra value there. The flooring goes in really quickly. And feel free to hit me back with any questions. If you like what you see or want to stay up to date, just hit that little subscribe button at the bottom.